Hi everybody and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add pre-order button to Shopify store. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So you can add various buttons from your web builder by heading over to online store and themes. And if you cannot find that button, what you can do is simply use an integration of, you can say like pre-order. So search in here for pre-order. Just wait for a couple of seconds until you can see this Shopify App Store option being visible. Simply head over to that, and there you have this particular different type of applications being shown up. So you can see we have pre-order, notify me, pre-order T. We have back in store, route protection and tracking. We have notify, and let's just say you have your pre-order Wolf. You can try this, and once you install that, you have few products, collections, or all products you can incorporate for various different settings, and just choose different type of scenarios. Like for example, if the inventory is less than 0 or maybe greater than 0, you can simply apply these rules, a set of rules for heading of your pre-order. So yeah, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.